Today I will explain about the model group. So how to create the model group in Revit. Okay. So as usual, I can go to find out my wall. So I have to create one model. So I can create a model like this. Okay. Done. So I create the layout. So again, I can apply the floor. So I'll use the floor. I can apply the floor here. Okay. Done. So I have to apply the door. And I can go to apply the window. Okay, so window, I can go to find out. Okay, so just fix the window somewhere here. Right. Okay, so I can go back to my 3D. So this is, I did this. Okay, right. So I can go back to my elevation plan. For south. So this is my door. So door height 2000 like that. Okay, so I have to paste this one somewhere here. Okay. So this one still height is 110. Okay, so I can go for 3D. So I can just select and right click, visible in view. I can put it 110. So all in the same level now. Okay, right. Now I can go back to my level. So here I can go to find out model in place. I can go to find out here, load. I can go to find out the furniture. Okay, go to find out the seating. Okay, so I can take this one. I can apply here. Or I can just go for space bar and I can rotate it. Okay. Again, I can go back to here, edit, load. Here I can choose one table. I can uh, I can choose it like the small one. Okay. Right. I can place it somewhere here. Yes. So I did this things. Now I can go to find out the model group. I have to use the model group. So first of all, I have to create the group. Okay. So how I can able to create? So I can just select. So you have to mention the name. So I can create the group one. Okay. So now I can able to add. So I can add one, two, three, and apply. Okay. When I choose this one, so it's become a model group. Okay. So I can able to move it anywhere. Okay. Right. In case I can go back to my uh, modeling place. I can go to find out one more chair. So, right, I can place this chair okay, somewhere here. Okay, I have to find out the chair. So I can place it somewhere here. Okay. And after that, just go for rotation. Right. Now, when I select this one, so it's already grouped, so I can go for edit group. So in the edit group, I can able to add this one and I can fix it here. So now it's all like a one group. So when I go to choose in 3D model, or you can go back to your plan, select this area, go to 3D view. So or you can find out this is my group. So I create. Okay. So again, I can go back to here. So I can choose, I can go for ungroup. If you want, I can make it the ungroup. Okay. So I can go back to edit. So if you want, I can just select, I can remove from this group and apply. So you can go to edit, remove, apply. So now it's removed these two only one group. Okay. So this is a way we can able to create our group, ungroup and everything. So again, I can just select, I can go to edit group, I can go to add, I can choose the add again. So it's done. So it's like a group. So if you want, you can just click, go to move, you can move it anywhere. You can rotate anywhere. So you can go there, you can just go for the rotation and you can able to rotate it. Again, you can move it. Okay. So again, you can move it. So this kind of things you can able to create when you create the group. Okay. So modeling group. So when I select, so automatically it will be available edit group, ungroup, and links. So this is a way we can able to create the group. So when I select here, here you can find out X and Y. Okay. So if you want, you can able to change it. Right. So this is a way we can create the groups and we can edit the groups. We can ungroups. We can add and edit the group model. Okay.